Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable mini wreath that can be used as a centerpiece, or you can even hang it on your door. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've got a piece of foam that's pushed into my wreath, so it's really going to stay there. Then I just covered it here with the moss. Then I'm going to take my little bird's nest and put that right in here. I'm just going to bring some moss up into it. Then what I'm going to do is take my 3 eggs and just lay these down in here. Now, if you're going to use this as a mini wreath, make sure that you actually glue them in. Then I'm going to just stick my bird in, try to stick my bird in, and that's going to hold the wreath in. So you wouldn't have to glue the wreath, even if you're going to hang it, because that's pretty sturdy. Then what I'm going to do is take these beautiful little leaves here, and I believe we got these all at Dollar Tree in one specific set. So they weren't $1, they were $1.25, but that's okay. And then put these in here, take another one here, put that in. So it's really simple because you have the floral foam. Then I'm going to take my little succulent, put that in there. I'm going to take this leaves here, put this in here, and actually let's stick that in a little more sturdily. Then I'm going to take my baby's breath, put those in here. You can see we're building a really beautiful little floral centerpiece, or like I said, you could hang it on the door. We're just going to put this last one in right here. I'm seeing all the moss and I'm trying to get to my floral foam here. So that one's in there, and I'm going to just take this and stick this aside. And yes, I've just made a huge mess. I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to lay my wire into my mini Bowdabra, just tuck the ends underneath so it stays out of my way. I'm going to lay in my stick here that we cut, because that'll give us something to poke into our bird's nest. Then I'm going to take what's going to be my tail and put those in. And then I'm going to take my other tail and put that in here. And I just love this burlap. It's kind of really pretty designer ribbon. And now I'm just going to make this and fold it and just twist it and fold it and twist it and fold it back over here. And then I'm going to take my my burlap ribbon here, and we're just going to twist it, fold it back. We're just going to make another little loopy bow right in the center, and it just adds just beautiful color that goes along with the greenery that we put into our bird's nest. Fold this back and forth. Bring it back around, tuck it in there, take my mini Bowdabra wand and give everything a really good scrunch. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire and I'm going to just pull it through the slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in my Bowdabra, pull it really tight, pull it out, and separate the ends, bring it around to my little stick, which I'm then going to just turn this way, and I'm just going to wrap it around here for good measure and bring it up here. We're just going to tie a knot. So it's really simple, and please make sure that you follow us on Bowdabra, follow our YouTube channel, or subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also follow us on TikTok, because it's so cool. We have some great projects that we put on TikTok that we don't put anywhere else. So please make sure that you follow us there. Now I'm going to bring back my little centerpiece, and I'm just going to stick my bow right in there, bring it up, and we're going to fluff it out. So you can see how absolutely beautiful this piece came out.